In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Help Me Write feature in Gmail, also known as disabling Gemini Gmail. If you've noticed that the Help Me Write feature in Gmail isn't to your liking and you want to take it out of your email experience, you're in the right place. By following these straightforward steps, you can turn off this smart feature in no time. To begin with, you'll want to log into your Gmail account. Head over to Gmail and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you're going to look to the top right corner of your screen for the settings button, which looks like a small cog icon. Go ahead and click that icon to open up your settings. After you click that cog icon, a small menu will appear. Don't stop here though, you'll want to click on the option that says See All Settings. This will open a new page where you can find a more comprehensive list of settings that you can adjust according to your preferences. Once you are on the settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Make sure you are in the General tab, as this is where you'll find the options we need. Now scroll down the page a bit until you see the section labelled Google Workplace Smart Features. This area contains various features that enhance your Gmail experience. However, if you're here to disable Help Me Write, you'll want to click on the button associated with these smart features. Here's where you make the change. Look for the option that says Turn off smart features in Google Workspace. This is where you'll disable those features you've been wanting to turn off. Click that button, and the option to confirm your choice should appear. Once you've confirmed that you want to turn off these smart features, your page will automatically reload. This reload is part of the process and indicates that your settings have been updated to reflect the changes you just made. Your Help Me Write feature should now be disabled, giving you a more traditional email writing experience. Remember, adjusting these settings is reversible. If at any time you decide you want to re-enable these smart features, simply follow these steps again and toggle the option back on. It's always great to have the control to tailor your email experience exactly the way you want it. That's all there is to it. By following these instructions, you can easily customize your Gmail to better suit your personal or work needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a great day.